Want to turn more visitors into buyers without cluttering your homepage? With the sleek themes featured product tabs, you can showcase bestsellers, new arrivals, and top collections, all in one clean, scroll-free section. Let's dive in. Let's start by adding the featured product tab section to your homepage. Once added, we'll customize it step by step. Start by choosing a color scheme that fits your brand. This controls the section background and text colors. If your tab includes videos, toggle this setting to let them autoplay. If your tab includes product videos, enable autoplay here. They'll play silently by default, so it won't disturb your users. Next, add a clear, engaging title above your tabs. You can style it with bold, italics, or even include a link. And finally, select your heading size. Go with something bold like heading 2XL if you want it to pop, or something smaller for a minimalist feel. Next up, we have the highlight text settings. This adds subtle animation to any text you wrap in italics. You can enable this effect to gently draw attention to keywords. Use provided field for subheading description to explain what's in the tab. Adjust the description size depending on how prominent or subtle you want it to be. Now let's set up the grid. This controls how your products are displayed. Use the slider to limit the number of products in each tab. For example, set to 4 for a clean look. Next, fine-tune the column and row gaps to get the layout that feels just right for your store: clean, spacious, and easy to browse. In the product card setting, this section lets you fine-tune how your product images appear. Select an image ratio, like square, 1:1, or portrait, to match your product photography. This ensures your grid looks tidy and consistent. Thumbnail ratio does the same for smaller preview images, again, keeping everything aligned visually. Finally, enable swipe on mobile for a smooth, touch-friendly experience. When turned on, your product tabs become swipeable, making it easy for mobile users to explore all your featured items without scrolling endlessly. Let's jump to the block settings for each tab. On the right-hand panel, click into the tab you want to edit. In this example, we're customizing the first tab labeled Product List 1. Under the tab settings, you'll see a field called Tab Name. Go ahead and enter the name you'd like displayed on the front end, here. And right below that is the tab description field. This is a great place to add a quick blurb about what products this tab features, like a category name, promotion note, or seasonal message. Now it's time to choose which products to display in this tab. Click Select under the Products section. You can add up to 6 products here to be shown in this tab. Just pick the ones you want to highlight and click Select. Or you can display the collection you want by the Collection section and choose your desired collection. Repeat the same steps for Product List 2 and Product List 3 to complete your section. And that's it. You've successfully set up a featured product tab for your homepage.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Let's get back to our featured product tab section. Want your product cards to really stand out? Add a custom product video or featured image using Shopify Metafields. It's a great way to bring your products to life. Here's how. Head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, and on the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Custom Data. From there, select Products, since we're adding media to individual product pages. Click Add Definition to create a new Metafields. Now fill in the details, give your metafield a name, like Showcase Video. For the namespace and key, type in foxtheme.showcase_video. This identifies your metafield uniquely and is especially predefined for sleek theme. For content type, select File. Then choose one file, since we'll just be uploading one video file per product. Now, go to any product, scroll to the bottom, and upload a video or image under your new Showcase Video Metafields. The sleek theme automatically pulls this video or image as the featured media on your product cards in the Featured Product tab section. And that's it, you've successfully set up a conversion-optimized Featured Product tab section using the sleek Shopify theme and learned how to embed custom videos for extra impact. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips from FoxEcom. Thanks for watching.